Let me show you how to design this poster in Adobe Photoshop. Start by creating a new file, size 21 by 29.7 centimeters. Set the resolution to 200 and then press Create. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Gradient. I'm going to show you the colors I'll be using. Now, for the first color in our gradient, I'm going to choose this light blue. It gives a nice soft tone. Then for the second color, I'll select white, which will blend smoothly with the blue to create a clean, subtle gradient effect. Follow along these steps. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Scale it while holding the Shift button. Go to Select and choose Subject. Add a layer mask. Duplicate this layer like this. Drag it down. Let's rename this layer to Shadow. Click on the mask. Now, we want to reveal the shadow from the image that's right here. Choose the Brush tool. Choose the soft round brush. Set the opacity to 100 and reduce the flow. Set the foreground color to white. Follow this process. Change the blending mode to Multiply. To hide the extra shadow, first set your foreground color to black, and then start brushing over the areas you want to remove. Then reduce the opacity to make it more subtle. Hold Ctrl and select the other image layer, then click this icon to link them. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Drag this image underneath both images like this. Hide both of these images temporarily. Choose this layer. Click on this icon to create a new group. Now choose the Rectangle tool. Go ahead and draw a rectangle like this. For the fill, you can choose any color and just remove the stroke completely. We can't see the rectangle right now because it's under this image, so let's temporarily reduce its opacity a bit. Follow this process. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Press Ctrl T. Follow along these steps. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Follow along with what I'm doing right here. Press Ctrl T. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Do the same thing I'm doing here. If you have any questions, write them below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Choose this layer. Set back the opacity to 100%. Let's rename the group. Right-click on this and let's choose a color for the group to keep things organized. Now, select this image layer, then click on the top right corner and choose Create Clipping Mask. After creating the clipping mask, you'll see that the image now only appears inside this rectangle below. You can go ahead and show these two images. Now choose the Type tool, and let's write our text. This is the font that I'm using. You can find every font I used in the description below. I will use this dark blue color. Press Ctrl T and let's scale it while holding the Shift button. Again, choose the Type tool and let's write our text. For this text, I am going to choose this light blue color. Follow along these steps. Again, choose the Type tool and let's write our text. Hold Alt and drag down to make a copy. If you have any questions, write them below, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. That's it. Hope you liked it. You can download all the PSD files from my tutorials on Patreon page for a small fee. It's a great way to support the channel and get all the project files in one place. Check the link in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.